Hello everyone, today we're taking a look at this AMCREST 8 megapixel power over Ethernet outdoor security camera. As you can see here, it is a 4K camera, so you're going to have outstanding resolution. Here is the camera itself, and we'll talk about the body construction, which is extremely strong construction. It is a metal casing on the camera. You can see the lens, and you can also see the infrared output there. This is how the camera looks in the back. These are your mounting holes for mounting either on a horizontal or vertical surface. So you can do that on a wall or on a ceiling. And here's your power over Ethernet connection. This is your Ethernet cable will be connected and also power via the Ethernet cable with the proper hardware as well. In addition to that, you can also install an additional power source in there, but you will still need the Ethernet connection in order to get the signal to your devices. Included with this camera, you get a mounting hardware and this mounting sheet right here so that you can get the holes correctly. May that be on the wall or may that be on the ceiling, depending on your preference for installing. You do get a warranty with the purchase, and there is a English manual, which is very important for these cameras. With AMCREST, you have the option to two different types of cameras. I personally recommend the AMCREST View Pro. It is the easiest one and the most effective to use when you have multiple cameras as well. So you can view up to 16 cameras with the AMCREST Pro. Installation is rather easy. All you have to do is scan the code on the camera itself, and you can start the setup via your internet connection. It is rather easy to set up the camera. Included with the camera as well, you do have a water resistant kit right here in order to install the camera in the wall. And as you can see here, this is where the cable would go in order to run the wire into through the house in case it has to be through the ceiling or anything like that. You have the kit right here. You also have your mounting hardware, and you have this tool. This tool goes right here so that you can loosen the screw. By loosening the screw, you are able to move the camera positioning based on your preference and angle. As you can see here, the camera moves separately from the body itself. I would say this cable is about a foot long. There's plenty of room to get it through a wall so that you can finish the rest of the connection via the Ethernet cable. The good thing about this camera is you don't need to run a series of cables. You don't have to run power separately. Just by running the Ethernet connection, power over Ethernet, just one cable gets the job done, and then it goes straight into your DVR recording software with your hard drive and all that. In addition to all that, you also have the option to purchase the AMCREST Cloud. This means that once connected to the Ethernet, by that I mean the camera, once the camera is connected to the Ethernet, or the internet, I should say, you have the option to record to their cloud instead of using your personal DVR hardwire with your hard drive local. This would actually be able to record to the cloud externally. And they do offer a 1 month free trial so that you can try that subscription itself. So this is the whole kit right here, everything you get in the box. And the app for the camera itself is free, and you can get that from Android or for iOS devices. So either way, you can be covering that. They also have the option to do this on their website. So either way will work out. Hope you guys enjoy this unboxing, and I hope you have a wonderful day. Thank you.